Okay, back in the shed. Chevy, Karma, and Trent. Say g'day.
G'day, ladies and gentlemen.
Rightio, another toy to play with. We've got a parcel. Let's have a look at this. Oh yeah, everyone knows what this is. We've been waiting for this fucker for a long time. Let's unbox it. How cool is that? They even wrap it in a shirt to protect it. We'll get it all out on the bar and have a look at it. Righto, have a look at that. I'll have to hang this one up in the shed. That's pretty cool. The quality looks awesome too. I'm happy with that. Hardware kits, and this is the 15-inch shield, so I'll see how she looks before. Have a good look at before. I'm not getting up your Chev, you alright? Alrighty. Let's get into it. Step one, pull the headlight off, put this bracket on with that bit facing up. Under or above? Got to be above, doesn't it? Yep. Righto, so first step is to put this little bracket thing here and these spaces out from your headlight. Right. Step two. Fuck. Reckons we got to drill a hole for that bottom mount. Righto, I'm happy with that.
Want to put a pilot drill for you first?
A little tiny on, you reckon?
Mm-hmm. We'll just go for gold. Hole in the fingertip coming up here. Bit of a common theme here, James. More Ryobi battery gear.
Yeah, that's it.
Ryobi, feel free to sponsor. There we go,
Look at that. Oh, that wasn't fun.
Hello, Chumsy. Oh, beautiful, look at that.
That's alright, no
Look at
cracks.
I brought one. Now we've got to remember to put the rubber washer against the paint.
Yes. Rightio, so here's a better way of fitting it than the instructions, which are fairly confusing to follow. So the clamps go this way with that bolted on the outside. So if you're fitting one to a 2016 FX DWG, this is how you do it. So that's your headlight extension doobie. That bit goes under your headlight bracket. Those clamps go like that. Then your fairing sits on and everything bolts up. So it took us a little while to get to this point, but we're getting there now. Righto, so another thing that doesn't fit quite right for my bike is the spacer that they give you to put between the headlight extension brackets was too long. We needed it to be 45mm, so Trent just cut this one down so it'll fit. So yeah, when you tighten it up, otherwise those brackets would just bend in and wouldn't work. So we're sweet now. Righto, while she's on, it's just sitting there, so now we just got to nip it all up and lock it down, and she's done. I'll give you a first person view. It's pretty hard to hold the camera there. But anyway, there's that oil gauge too. That looks pretty cool. Oh, there you go.
It only took 10 things.
Yeah. Alright, one last walk around. Well, that's a rifle Roadster fairing install. Pretty half-assed, but we were talking shit and drinking beers. So anyway, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, headbutt that subscribe button and press the little bell so you know when we're chucking new ones up. But righto, I'll leave it there. Catch you later.